In today's video, let me show you another succulent project, the one I planted on tree trunk in terracotta pots. The best planters for your succulents are wood planters and terracotta pots, because these kinds of planters wick moisture away from the soil, helping the roots remain dry. In my previous video, I showed you the succulents I planted in the tree trunk. Today, I'm going to show you this project, which is a combination of the tree trunk and terracotta pots. I will place one pot on each end of this trunk. So here they are, already secured with a small amount of succulent soil mixture in the pots. If you've noticed, these planters are shallow. It is because I want to use only a small amount of succulent soil mixture so that it won't hold a lot of water, as this area is open and not protected from the rain. I uprooted the low-growing succulents already acclimated to my location and used them for this project. And of course, because the planters are shallow, I opted for low-growing succulents. Because of the heat and humidity here in the Philippines, it is indeed very challenging to grow succulents here. They could either get too much water from the rain or get destroyed by the heat. But once the plants are well adjusted to the weather, they will thrive even when constantly exposed to the heat of the sun. I've noticed that the imported succulents are the most delicate, so it is practical to start with what grows locally. Aside from the fact that imported Korean succulents are expensive, they are the most sensitive as well. When you see the dried leaves at the base of the plant, do not be alarmed. It is normal. As new leaves grow, old leaves die. So take your time and remove them because they can become breeding grounds for pests. Here's how this project looked when finished. It rained the following day, so I inspected the plants after 2 days, and luckily, they were all fine. Life can be so stressful nowadays, but constant stress exposure is not healthy for us. We deserve to take a break, and gardening is a therapeutic way to release our stress. So my advice for you is to take your time and enjoy whatever you do in your garden. And when your project is finished, don't forget to enjoy and admire the result. This video is brought to you by Chopstick and Succulents Gardening Tweezers and Water Me Next Week book. Check out the discounted prices on Amazon USA and Shopee Philippines. The link is in the description below. In my next video, I'm going to show you another project which is more like my latest experiment: succulents planted on tree trunk. See you in my next video. Thank you for your support, guys. Take care.